Hello, welcome back to another video. I think I'm really hoping, because I checked the video from 2 days ago, I guess, and it was backwards. So I'm really hoping that isn't backwards this time. So, what are we doing today? You're probably thinking to yourself. Well, one, I was expecting it to be a lot more cold today. It's not, which is good. But today we're going to be digging. You heard that, my folks? We're going to be digging. Digging what? The ground. Why? Because I want to. And if you haven't digged in the dirt before, what are you doing with your life? It's fun. It's easy, and all you require is your hands and some water. So yeah, today is a pretty big, beautiful day. Very beautiful day, in my opinion. Yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing. That's so cool. I never been on one of these. Because someone's either moving in or moving out. Yeah. Excuse me. So, it's cool. Hello. I was going to dig up there while the rocks are shit. But, there's people there, and, well, I'm not gonna dig in front of all those people. Sit here for a minute. Well, I'm not gonna sit up there and dig in front of all those people, so we're going to a different area. Different location. Different area full of people, no people. So give me a minute. Okay, I'm back. Just have to walk up those stairs. I gotta see a doggy. A dog. See a dog. I might go pet the dog. But no, don't go up and petting random people's dogs, people. That would be too short. Okay. It's actually pretty hot today. Thank you. She's having a leash on her dog. I'm wearing my toe-up shoes. Because if I do have to get muddy, at least with my toe-up shoes. Not more people than I realized today. That sucks. Okay. Get my operation. Operation get water. Okay, Operation Water was crazy, but sorry, looking the camera. Operation Water was crazy, but I got the water. That's the good part. Ugh, bubbly. I got the water from that machinery. That was a bad idea. I got some water, a little bit of water in my hair, which sucks. but we have the water. So I guess that's okay now. It wasn't a lot of water anyway. Still with water. I really hope that doesn't backfires on me. But we have Operation Water complete. Operation Find a Rock to dig with, because we need a good rock, not any ordinary smelly old rock. We need a good rock to dig with. So Operation Find a good rock to dig with. And after that, we gotta find a place to dig at. So yeah. Oh wait, I know an exact place to start digging at. And to get rocks at. So I'll be right back. We're almost there. Oh, McDonald. We're almost there. Sweet, isn't it? Voila. We're here. The magnificent rock pile. Now we gotta choose a good rock. I have to choose a good rock. You're just here to watch. How this looks. I think it's decent looking. Thought like it will be pretty good. Yeah, she grew some plants in this pot. Or those fake, I don't know. There we go. I think this is a good rock, tiny enough. I think it's doable. Now we just need a spot to dig at. I would prefer a place with a little bit of shade. How's this place for a shade? What does this look like? Does this look like a great place to dig at? I don't know. Pretty windy. Oh my god, is that a plane? Yeah, that's a plane. It's cool. Now we just gotta do is find a place to dig at. Alright, we're getting to the where all the cars are now, so I hope we can. Oh my god, not the water. Yeah. I do know one thing. My neighbor's got some nice looking cars. Which I can show you guys, but I don't want to get sued. So yeah. Our rock. I think we're gonna go back to this spot we chose. It's right in front of an apartment complex. But yeah. Time to dig. Here. This is the spot we're gonna be digging at. I don't know, I'm gonna set up the camera, but let's see how it goes. Alright. Not too shabby. Get a nice little area, get a nice little spot right here. That's the spot we're gonna start digging at. Alright. One camera, one rock, one bottle of water. Let's hope this doesn't go wrong. I think it's sand. A little bit too easy in my opinion. Probably gonna regret that. Nice hole. Long. Can't get stingy. Whew. That's a lot more work than I thought. Okay. I'm probably gonna have to edit this in CapCut. Okay. See why you wear your bad pairs of shoes? Your ugly pairs of shoes? That's why. Ugh. You also get yourself some good jeans. Look at this. Look at this. All made from this tiny little rock. I don't think you can tell from the lighting how deep this hole is, actually. Guess I gotta get my gloves real dirty. Yeah. That's the stuff. Okay. Okay. Thought I saw a bug for sure. Hey, oh, this is working better a lot. It's looking a lot better. Oh yeah, question of the day. Do you like zombie apocalypse? Lizard. Oh my god, I saw a lizard. Look at that. See, lizard. So cool. The lizard's so cool. Oh god. Dirt on my phone. But yeah, that was cool. Okay, oh, sorry. But back to the question of the day. Do you like zombie apocalypse movies, series, or do you like romance drama series more? Personally, I can go me some romance drama and some zombie apocalypse. But personally, I love zombie apocalypse like shows, books, comics, like anything that involves characters surviving in the zombie apocalypse. You know what? You got me sold. But I feel like the problem with zombie apocalypse series nowadays is they so lackluster. They got some whack characters, main characters, and it's annoying. It's annoying in my opinion. And these big movie productions, they're not helping the situation at all. Like, there are some great audio, some great books, zombie books out there that if it was like made into like a series, it will take the world by storm. But they don't give them much attention. And it's like, don't you want money? But yeah, that's the problem I have a lot. Ugh. Going this way? Okay.
He doesn't bite it. He ain't got no teeth.
That's funny. What's the dog's name? That's Pet Lady's dog. Ugh. She's very nice. The dog's name's so cute. It's a small little dog. I got scared for a hot second because we have a dog in my building that barks every time they see anything. It could be a human, it could be a dog. I don't know. I think I'm more scared of tiny dogs than big dogs because tiny dogs just ugh. But anyway, back to the discussion we're having. But yeah, zombie series or romance series? Which one you prefer? So far, so good. Gotta remove all this dirt over here. It's a lot of dirt than I thought. Okay. Okay. I'll see you when the hole is a little slightly bigger. Oh, Jesus. That's a... Whoa. That car, or no, that motorcycle is loud. But anyway, look at the hole. Not really much progress have been made. Not a lot of progress has been made. Jeez, getting so much dirt on my phone. I think it's time to start filling up this hole. Now, this is where the water comes in. This is where the water part comes in at. See that? The water. The water. Okay. Put some water in there. Oh no. Oh no, put that right there. That didn't really help. But it's time to fill up this hole with clay dirt. Sad, but we have to. So what we're gonna do is gonna mix the hill with water, and we're gonna fill the hole up. Simple. This is my least favorite part of all of this. Making mud in there. Now we push the sand in. Mud. Look. Not too much now. Just enough to get stuff stirring. Look at that. Mud. Okay. Yeah. Now you gotta pat that down. I don't know how, just pat it down. Just pat that down. Put more dirt. Just pat that down. Put a little bit of water. And flat it down with your shoe. There we go. Fill the hole up. Sorry, I had to end the video short. This video was getting too long. But like, subscribe, and hit the notification button. Bye.